Churchill says he would have become CM in Manohar Parrikar's place but refused. Also, he was one of those responsible for Vajpayee government's defeat. Corona cases in the state are on the rise and all over the state. 5 deaths in past 48 hours. Government scrambling for medicines, disease management. The coronavirus has not spared anybody, not politicians, not celebrities. Now Big B, son Aishwarya, daughter of cricketer Chauhan test positive. I'm Anjali and now the news in detail. The coronavirus cases in India have surged to 8.49 lakhs after recording highest single-day spike of more than 28,000 cases. As many as 1,07,136 cases have been recorded in India in the last 4 days. ICMR said 2,80,151 samples were tested till date. Here's more.
A single-day jump of 28,637 COVID-19 cases were reported in India in last 24 hours. Around 551 deaths were reported and 19,235 patients have recovered. India has reported 8,49,553 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 2.92 lakh mark. 22,674 deaths are reported and more than 5.34 lakh patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 2.46 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu 1.34 lakh, Delhi 1.10 lakh, Gujarat 40,941 and Uttar Pradesh 35,092 cases. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 1.28 crore mark. 5.67 lakh deaths are reported and more than 74 lakhs have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 30.97 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 18 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 8.49 lakh cases. Russia 7.20 lakh cases and Peru with 3.19 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Corona cases in Goa are on the rise and it is spreading to all the corners of the state, including the industrial sector. As of Sunday afternoon, the death toll has reached 14, taking the tally to 5 in the past 48 hours. A controversy erupted over the newly declared containment zone at Kharevado. Its residents gathered in large numbers demanding a realignment of the zone. Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida has also demanded mass testing in the zone from his own government through the media. Deputy Collector Sachin Dasa has promised that people would be tested and also that an OPD would be set up.
खारेवाडा एरिया हा पळय ती कंटेनमेंट मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट झोन म्हणून डिक्लेअर केलेली आहा आणि ती एरिया म्हाका दिसता गुगल मॅपा प्रमाणे कलेक्टरान आयडेंटिफाय केलेली आसा आणि ती फूल वॉर्ड नंबर 14, 15 इवन 13 3 वॉर्ड घेतलेले आसा. लोकांची इतलीच रिक्वेस्ट आसली की तो वॉर्ड नंबर 15 आहा तो टोटली सेपरेट आहा, तेका लागून तो पार्ट सेपरेट करपाचो. आमी ती रिक्वेस्ट आमच्या मामलेदारा कडेन घातलेली आहा.
आयज सकाळी देखून हांवें प्रेसा एक व्हिडिओ रिलीज केला की म्हणजे 3 प्रश्न आसले. एक प्रश्न आसले रिगार्डिंग मास टेस्टिंग, सेकंड वॉज रिगार्डिंग प्रोविजन एंड थर्ड वॉज दॅट वी हॅव टेक द लोकल काउन्सिल इन कॉन्फिडन्स. सो एक कंटेनमेंट झोन ते कशें डिसायड करता, केसीस आहा ते पण डिसायड करता. See that the health officers involved, the administration involved. There I can't get involved.
From Monday we have decided that there will be testing done over in the nearby areas, just to get an idea how many number of cases are there in the vicinity. So for that we will have a testing round after Vishwajit was also there with me. So that from Monday we will start. And also OPD will be run there. OPD will also be started by the urban health center.
Sir, there was some news that कोणाकडे लोकांक तो कंटेनमेंट झोन मातसो मॉडिफाय केल्लो अशें कितें आयकूंक मेळ्ळें.
No, once the order is issued, as per that order, containment zone is already decided. As per that, we will proceed.
And the rest of food and everything will be served?
Yes, like other containment zones. Here also we will put everything in place.
The coronavirus graph in Salsette is surging widely. In Kurtori, 3 new cases were found. In Kunkoli, 4, Bari 4 and 1 new case in Lotoli.
थोडे दीस आमची म्युनिसिपालिटी जी आसा ही बंद दवरची म्हणून, कित्याक सगळे लेबर जे आमचे आसा ते आज म्हणल्यार आतां 6 लेबर इन्फेक्टेड जाल्ले आसा. सो ह्या एक लागून आमी ऑलरेडी आमचे चीफ ऑफिसराकय सांगले की तुमी तुमगे हायर ऑथॉरिटी इन्फॉर्म करून म्युन्सिपालिटी बंद दवरा म्हणून. सो आयज आमगे आनी एक म्युन्सिपल इंजिनियर जो आसा तो आज कोविड-19 इन्फेक्टेड जाल्लो आसा.
The Health Minister Vishwajit Rane on Sunday appealed to all recovered COVID-19 patients to come forth and help us save lives. He reiterated that the apheresis machine was being installed in GMC and the government was launching a plasma bank to treat COVID-19 with plasma therapy. He also gave a guide on how and who can donate the plasma. Corporation Minister Govind Gowde inspected a COVID care center and new hostel at Goa Engineering College. The two new hostel building has been arranged with 166 beds and 54 COVID-19 patients are admitted in this hostel.
आम्ही ऑलरेडी जीईसीची जी दोन हॉस्टेल जी आसात ती ऑलरेडी कालपासून जी 90 स्ट्रेंथ जी आशिल्ली 95 तितून 54 ऑलरेडी पेशंट्स जे आसात ते इन हाऊस आसात. त्याचबरोबर दुसरें हॉस्टेल आमी आज वी आर रेडी टू सेंड द पेशंट्स ओवर देर. आणि हे जे IITचे जे हॉस्टेल जे आसा त्या हॉस्टेलान आमी पयले प्राथमीक फेरीचेर 350 पेशंट हातून भितर सामावून घेतले अशे तरेची अरेंजमेंट आज आमी केल्ली आसा.
Hiru Mahale, Ramesh Naik Raut and Krishna Naik from Goa 365 Vasco, Madgaon and Ponda. The cloud of coronavirus has now started hovering over Bollywood. The Bachchan family, Anupam Kher's family and even veteran cricketer tested positive on Sunday and Saturday. Here's more. First, it was Big B Amitabh Bachchan who was tested positive for infection on late Saturday evening. Soon after, his son Abhishek Bachchan was also tested positive for coronavirus. Both are hospitalized in Mumbai's Nanavati Hospital. On Sunday morning, Abhishek's wife and actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and their daughter Aradhya was tested positive for the virus. But Jaya Bachchan has tested negative.
Namaskar, this is Amitabh Bachchan. I am wanting to talk to all the doctors, nurses and the staff at Nanavati Hospital for their tremendous work that you're doing in these very trying circumstances. अभी हाल ही में मैंने ट्विटर पे एक सूरत, गुजरात में सूरत में एक बिलबोर्ड लगा हुआ था जिसमें लिखा था कि आपको मालूम है मंदिर क्यों बंद हैं? क्योंकि भगवान जो है सफेद कोट पहनकर अस्पतालों में काम कर रहे हैं. आप जितने भी डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस और जितने भी हॉस्पिटल्स में काम कर रहे हैं, आप सब में एक ईश्वर का रूप है. आप सब इतनी मेहनत के साथ इंसानियत के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. आप जीवनदायी बन गए हैं आप. और मैं आप लोगों को हाथ जोड़कर आपकी सराहना करता हूं, नतमस्तक हूं मैं आपके सामने. बहुत ही सराहनीय काम हो रहा है और आप ना होते तो न जाने इंसानियत कहां जाती. तो मैं आप सब लोगों से कहना चाहता हूं, मैं जानता हूं कि ये दिन थोड़े से निराशजनक है. दे आर ट्राइंग टाइम्स. एवरीवन इज बीइंग वर्क्ड to their absolute limits. There is always fear, there's perhaps depression, but please do not despair. Do not panic. We're all together in this. We're all working together. And we hope and wish that very soon we shall come out of these extraneous circumstances. Thank you so much, Nanavati Hospital. And all the nurses and doctors and the people that are working there, the staff at Nanavati Hospital. I have had a wonderful experience every time I have been to your facility. और मैं जानता हूं कि आप का स्नेह, आपका प्यार मेरे स्वास्थ्य के लिए कितना आवश्यक रहा है. आज मैं चाहूंगा कि आप इसी तरह काम करते रहें. पूरा देश आपको इज्जत से देखता है, स्नेह से देखता है और जैसा कि मैंने कहा, आप सब जो हैं ईश्वर का रूप है, आपकी ईश्वर रक्षा करेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
Bollywood actor Anupam Kher's mother Dulari, brother Raju, sister-in-law Reema and niece Brinda tested positive for coronavirus while Anupam has been tested negative. Anupam's mother has been hospitalized in Kokilaben Hospital while others are quarantining at home.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, पिछले कुछ दिनों से मेरी माँ, जिन्हें आप दुलारी के नाम से जानते हैं, उन्हें भूख नहीं लग रही थी, कुछ भी नहीं खा रही थी और सोती रहती थी। तो हमने डॉक्टर की सलाह पर उनका ब्लड टेस्ट करवाया जिसमें सब कुछ ठीक निकला। फिर डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि आप इनको सिटी स्कैन सेंटर ले जाइए और वहाँ पर इनका स्कैन करिए। तो हमने स्कैन करवाया जिसमें उनका कोविड पॉजिटिव माइल्डली निकला। तो जाहिर सी बात थी कि मैं और मेरा भाई उनके साथ थे, तो फिर मैंने भी अपना और राजू ने भी, मेरे भाई ने भी अपना सिटी स्कैन करवाया और जिसमें राजू माइल्डली पॉजिटिव निकले और मैं नेगेटिव था। फिर हमने उनकी फैमिली को भी बोला, मेरी भाभी रीमा, मेरी भतीजी वृंदा और मेरा जो भतीजा है प्रणित, उनका भी सिटी स्कैन करवाया जिसमें मेरी भाभी और मेरी भतीजी पॉजिटिव निकले माइल्डली और मेरा जो भतीजा है प्रणित वो नेगेटिव निकला। इसके बाद आई टुक माई मदर टू कोकिलाबेन हॉस्पिटल। दे वर वेरी ग्रेशियस एंड हेल्पफुल इनफ टू एडमिट माई मदर देयर एंड माई ब्रदर एंड हिज फैमिली हैज़ क्वारंटीन देमसेल्व्स इन देयर होम। मैंने BMC को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया है एंड BMC हैज़ बीन वर्किंग अमेजिंगली एफिशिएंटली। वो मेरे भाई के घर गए हैं, उनको वो भी सैनिटाइज करेंगे और मेरा फ़र्ज़ था कि मैं आप सब लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करूं कि आपके घर में आपके किसी सदस्य को, खासकर आपके माता पिता को, अगर भूख नहीं लग रही है तो एक बार उनका टेस्ट करा लीजिए। बिकॉज़ हम बहुत देर तक ये सोचते रहे कि भूख क्यों नहीं लग रही है। एंड डॉक्टर्स आर डूइंग अमेजिंग वर्क। मेरा कल प्रैक्टिकल रूप से डॉक्टर्स के साथ मेरा इंटरेक्शन हुआ एंड अमेजिंग, द मेडिकल स्टाफ इज़ डूइंग सच अमेजिंग वर्क। उनकी जितनी तारीफ़ की जाए उतना कम है। मैं आप सब लोगों को ये इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए मैंने वीडियो बनाया। आपकी दुआएं, आपका आशीर्वाद जल्द ही मेरे परिवार को ठीक करेगा और मेरी दुआएं और मेरा प्यार सब लोगों के साथ है जो इस बीमारी से ग्रस्त हैं। नमस्कार, थैंक यू।
72-year-old former Indian cricketer Chetan Chauhan has been tested positive for COVID-19. The former opener, who played 40 tests, is remembered for being Sunil Gavaskar's partner in numerous tests in the 1970s. Bureau Report, Core 365. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. I was offered Chief Minister post by Lal Krishna Advani before Manohar Parrikar, but I flatly refused the offer as I did not want to join the BJP. But I still support the BJP on issues. This was Manauli MLA Churchill Alema on Sunday. Churchill also alleged Congress firebrand Reginaldo Lorenzo was all set to join BJP on his birthday, but dropped his plan as the BJP refused to give him the TCP portfolio. Here's more.
Once friends and party men, now washing dirty linen in public. The ongoing Churchill versus Reginald tussle underlines the fact that there are permanent friends or enemies in politics. A couple of days back, Reginald had called Churchill a BJP man. Here Churchill reacts to these allegations with twist all his own.
Parikara support करून गेले तर बाहेर राहून तेन्ना म्हाका एडवानीक आयलो पारीकारान तेमी अजून तेंगे MLA खंयसर रावता. एडवानीन सांगलें पारीकार तूं जायनाका, म्हाका CM जाव. हांवें म्हणलें हांव BJPचो CM जावपाक शकना, कित्याक म्हाका BJP वचपाचें केन्नाच ना. हांवें तरी भायर रावन सपोर्ट केला. तेच जे भायर रावन सपोर्ट करपाक कारण इश्यू बेसिसाचेर सपोर्ट केलें, कित्याक म्हगेलो म्हाका डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक जाय. जो मनीस एकठांय केल्ले सगल्यांक भितर सरपाक, रिजनलान आपण भितर सरपाक दादा गेले तेन्ना, आनी तेणें वचोय चीफ गेस्ट आपयल्लो, CMाक चीफ गेस्ट आपयल्लो. CM चीफ गेस्ट येयलो, प्रूफ आहा म्हजे कडेन, पेपर आहा, प्रूफ आहा. CM चीफ गेस्ट येयलो आनी त्या दिसाक CMान तेगेली केक कातली तेगेली सीएमान केक कातली केक कातून पळय तोंडान घालता सीएम केक सीएमान केक कातली आनी ते दीस ज्या दिसाक मायकालान पासून म्हळें आमी तुका डिप्युटी सीएम करपाक शकता पूण रिजनल जागे कितें जालें भितर वचना जावपाक तेणें TCP मागलोली तेणें TCP ताका दिल ना म्हूण तो भितर सरलो ना आनी म्हाका म्हणटा तूं हांव BJP म्हणून.
Interestingly, Churchill claims that when he was MP, the Vajpayee-led government had collapsed as he refused to give his vote to support it.
हांव 2 फावट मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट गेला म्हाका एक वोट जाय आसलो वाजपेयाक तो वोट हांवें दिलो ना म्हाका एक वोट दिलो जाल्यार म्हाका जायत मेळटालें हांवें दिवन आनी एक वोटा लागून वाजपेयी त्या दिसांनी दिल्लो.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Benaulim.
I am surprised that BJP's Karyakartas are giving false updates to the locals. The power substation will be built in Mandre. Almost 80% of its work is completed, so there is no question of the power substation being shifted somewhere else. Mandre MLA Dayanand Sopte stressed on Sunday, bringing to fore that rifts among the BJP have still not healed.
Sopte came down heavily on his own party members after some party members said that there is no proper development in the constituency. Sopte said that this is not true and all works will be completed in time. Watch.
जुनशेवेले सबस्टेशन असो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी असो किंवा 30 MLD वॉटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट तुयेन असो हांव सांगचे दिसता मुद्दम कारण काही कार्यकर्ते आमचे जाणून बुजून अफवा उठयतात की फाटल्या दिसांनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटीची जी सँक्शन जाली सबस्टेशन हे खंय निलेश काब्रालान सबस्टेशन बरोबर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी तुयेंतली घेवन आपल्या कुडचड्यान गेलो. विनंती करता अशा कार्यकर्त्यांक बरे कार्यकर्ते अशी अफवा पसरची न्हू. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटीचे 80% कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ रोड 52 कोटी खर्च करून कंप्लीट झालेले आसा. 5 कोटी 5 लाखाची वॉटर म्हणजे उदकाची सोय जावची हाच्या खातीर ऑलमोस्ट 50% काम ते जाल्लें आहा. आनी जी सबस्टेशन अफवा उठयतात की थंयच्यान व्हेले तेजे बरोबर इलेक्ट्रॉन तशें कांयच ना. सबस्टेशन परत कारण पयलींचो रेट जो आसलो बघा जेका आमी GSR म्हणटा तेतून बदल जाल्ल्या कारणान ते नवो GSR करून ऑलरेडी ती थंयच आसा कारण गरजच आसा. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी पयली म्हणजे रस्त्याची कनेक्टिविटी जाता ती ऑलमोस्ट 80% जाल्ली आहा. दुसरी उदकाची सोय ती ऑलमोस्ट 50% जाल्ली आसा. थर्ड म्हणजे लायट तेचोय परत सगळी गोष्टी करून ते थोड्याच दिसान मार्गाक वयता. ह्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त जुनशेर सबस्टेशन मांद्रे मतदारसंघा खातीर टेम्पररी म्हणजे हांव म्हणिना टेम्पररी म्हणजे 4.5 कोटी खर्च करून डायरेक्ट तेवी फिडरा वयरसून लायट जुनसोडा येयल्ली आहा. सगळे सोपस्कार जाले फक्त उद्घाटन करपा खातीर हे 144 कलम असल्या कारणान आदरणीय मंत्री निलेश बाब काब्रा म्हणपाक लागले की आमी मागीर करया हाच्या खातीर रावलो.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 in Mandrem.
The work on the western bypass passing to Naveli is not up to the mark. The local MLA Luisino Falero said he wanted an inquiry into this and action taken on how this blunder was committed. Here's more.
Luizin said that there was an issue with the height of the bridge and he had received a call from the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant that the height had been increased to 5 meters after he had written to concerned authorities. He said that he had asked the Chief Minister to inquire into the matter.
I told the present Chief Minister, you see, as per the National Highway Guidelines and rules and regulations, you must have minimum 6 meters height. And I wrote another letter that is on 1st of July and asked him to immediately instruct the PWD engineers to stop the construction which they were expediting under the COVID times, which is against the guidelines. He called the principal chief engineer. He also asked him, and principal chief engineer himself was very shocked and surprised about the height. And he said, give me some time, I will. After the studying the matter, Chief Minister phoned me and he said, I will see that minimum 5 meters of height will be maintained over both the bridges. And today, I'm again grateful to him because the national highway authorities, which are doing the work under the consultants, have done a great injustice, and I feel it is illegal to construct something below substandard. Even though I'm not happy with the 5 meters height, please try and keep 5.5 meters height. He said that he will try, but 5 meters he can assure and he can tell the press and all that, because I was having a press conference next day. And in the meantime, I have demanded that there should be investigations. The work must stop and action must be taken against those who are involved in constructing these substandard works on the national highway.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Naveli.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Tensions between China and India are beginning to settle down, at least on the surface. However, China's all-weather friend Pakistan is all set to increase the pressure on a second and always burning front, the LOC. Reports indicate that there are at least 250 terrorists masked in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir waiting for an opportunity to cross over. The Pakistan army has been putting pressure by indulging in innumerable ceasefire violations. Under this cover, terrorists are being pushed across, an old modus operandi. Indian forces have killed 2 of these on Saturday evening. Besides ramping up its defense infrastructure, including speeding up projects along the borders, the government is also pushing for modernizing of the forces. Also, India has decided to involve Australia in the Malabar naval exercises. These exercises have been going on since 1992, involving US, Japan and India. Bureau Report, Goa 365. Looks as if the Congress is on the verge of losing Rajasthan due to the infighting between Deputy CM Sachin Pilot and veteran war house and High Command favourite Ashok Gehlot. It could possibly be a repeat of Madhya Pradesh, says sources.
Pilot and the CM have been apparently called to Delhi. Pilot heads the Congress in Rajasthan. Talks between Sachin Pilot and the BJP reportedly began before the country went into coronavirus lockdown in the March end. Sources indicate that another option could be of him setting up a regional party and not joining the BJP. Pilot was touted to be Chief Minister, but the High Command preferred Ashok Gehlot after the Congress's 2018 victory in state polls. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.